Welcome to LenBuschRoses. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at LenBuschRoses, but I also get to be a little bit of an ambassador for the next couple of weeks regarding the flower movement. Last week we put out a little video telling you that the flower movement was coming up August 8th through 14th, but this week I want to focus on a little bit more about how you can find ways to contribute. So we talked about how WWOOFs has started this grassroots movement that's going to hopefully be nationwide, and that's why we're doing videos. We want to get that information out there. We want you to be part of it. But let's talk about ways that we can call our communities together August 8th through 14th to collectively work as a one flower family group and go ahead and just serve those around us. So we've got plants here at LenBusch all the time, and we send them to our stores. What happens if you wind up with an excess of plants? What happens if I wind up with an excess of plants? Well, great thing that you can do, plants and flowers, those excesses, don't throw them away. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna donate them to local food shelves, to local senior centers, to retirement places, local businesses even, maybe nonprofits. What a great way to share your love of flowers. Think about gardening groups, enthusiasts, hobbyists. What are ways that you can get involved? Go into your communities. Call your city halls, your community centers. Ask if you can maybe, as a gardening group, teach a free class for young kids, for students. You know what? We're in summer right now, and across the U.S., there's all kinds of after school or off of school type functions for young kids, for working parents. Think of some of these groups in your community. Maybe you can go into that community, help teach young kids about seeds, planting flowers, weeding a garden, taking care of plants. There's all kinds of ways that we can serve our community by using our love of flowers. So I'm encouraging you to think creatively, go outside the box. Remember, the flower movement is not about making a dollar. The flower movement is about sharing our love of flowers and plants and the wellness that they bring to each of us. Let's share that. Let's share the love. Let's share the happiness. Let's share the joy and help bring our communities together August 8th through 14th. #OneFlowerFamily. Thanks, everybody. Let's go.